Myrtle Beach is ranked number 8 in Hurricane City's top 50, but not ranked in the hurricanes only category, as they get far more tropical storm impacts, nearly 60%, than they do hurricane impacts. Some of the most memorable hurricanes in Myrtle Beach, starting with Hurricane Hazel in 1954 on October 15th, hits with 130 mile per hour winds while moving rapidly to the north at 25 to 30 miles per hour. The system downed many trees in the area, allowing developers to build golf courses in the now famous golfing area. Lowest pressure as the eye passed was 28.47 inches. 1984, September 11th, Hurricane Diana hits just east from the south-southwest with 125 mile per hour winds. Then, strangely, swings back around, coming at the city again as a Category 1 hurricane a couple of days later, before eventually turning north. Of course, everyone remembers 1989, September 22nd, as Hurricane Hugo passes 50 miles to the south of Myrtle Beach with 140 mile per hour winds. The area still got flooded by storm tides, surprising damage on the beaches despite Hugo's path well to the south from the southeast. 1996, September 5th, Hurricane Fran hit with 115 mile per hour winds while passing just east by 42 miles and then north of Myrtle Beach. The large wind field had the city under hurricane force winds for about 4 hours. 1999, September 16th, Hurricane Floyd hit with 110 mile per hour winds while passing just east by 44 miles while moving north. Myrtle Beach had the western eye wall for a couple of hours. Since Floyd, Myrtle Beach has been hit by 3 Category 1 hurricanes, with the latest Hurricane Ian in 2022.